Jamie was smart and prepared, but people rarely listened for long. He believed better facts would win people over. Every conversation became a small battle.
This is not good enough. You should have done it properly.
Jamie was correct, but being correct did not make the other person feel respected.
Do you want to be right or do you want to be understood?
That question changed the way Jamie saw people.
Criticism closes doors. Curiosity opens them.
First, stop beginning with blame. Try to understand before you judge.
I know this deadline was difficult. What part caused the problem?
One honest question did more than 10 accusations. The real problem finally appeared. Remember names. A name tells someone, I noticed you.
Good morning, Daniel. How was your first day?
The words were simple, the attention was not. Become genuinely interested in people. They do not always need advice. Often, they need your full attention. Ask about what matters to them, then stay present for the answer. Listening is not waiting for your turn to talk. When people do not have to fight for space, they open up. A small pause can become a gift of respect. Give honest appreciation, not flattery. Specific, deserved appreciation.
The office feels better because of your work. Thank you.
Appreciation costs almost nothing, but people remember how it made them feel. You cannot win an argument and win a person at the same time. Ask, help me see why this matters to you. The book secret is not a trick. Treat people as important because they are. Which habit will you try today? Listening, names, or appreciation? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to English Fix Daily.